Okay. Okay. We are on the materials management, and we will go over to our screen. And where were we? Primarily, we were in progress of creation of the material. I hope screen is visible. Okay. Now, once basically you have entered ASUS laptop, which is for which we are going to create the material master data and which is required to be procured by your company. Now it will ask for the base unit of measure. Okay, what is the meaning of the base unit of measure, Brother Amar?
The unit of the material will be purchased, so the quantity for value or liter or piece. The
Very good.
unit for the material. Yeah.
Very good. Maybe in liters, maybe in each, maybe in dozen, maybe
Yeah.
as a piece. We will go over to the search, and here I can enter each. And for each, basically search unsuccessful. Why? It should be there. Each. Okay, wait. Let's see. Okay. Now here, what is the problem? Where is each? Let me see. Each EA is for here. Sorry. I will see later on why it is not picking up. So we will take the
Yeah.
base unit of measure as a each, and all the you can say commercial base unit of measure have already pre-configured in SAP. You can see here in the form of alphabetic codes. So it is here each. We are going to take it each. Okay, material group. Any idea, Brother Amar, what is material group?
Material group.
There is a long list of
Well,
material
I'm
group.
used it many times, but I forget now.
Okay, what is the material group? Primarily on the top of it, how hierarchy it trickles down. On the top of it is the finished goods, and then comes the material group, and then you are going to create basically certain materials with reference to that material group. So later on, if you want to extract or if you want to get some of the reports as per a specific material group, you can easily extract it for the analysis purpose. In this case, for example, we will also create the material group in backend configuration. If there is computer material group, it means we are going to create all the basically material master data. It can be Vista laptop, it can be Dell laptop, it can be Asus laptop, it can be Lenovo laptop, or any laptop. If there is written bike material group, you can enter Honda over here, Yamaha over here, Harley Davidson motorbike along with this. You can say specific engine capacity and the other technical specification. If it is written LED material group, you can enter Sony LED, you can enter Samsung LED, you can enter TLC LED, so any type of LED. Understood, Brother Mar?
Who's create the material group?
MM.
Or is coming default by system?
No. MM consultant.
Okay.
Yes, we will create. We will create. We will create it
Mm.
once we will go over to the backend configuration or the customization. Okay, computer
Oh.
material group we have entered, and then once I will press enter, systematically it will take you on to the purchase, because if you remember exactly, I have tick mark or make the default setting 4 views. One was basically basic data one, other was the purchasing view, then was the plant data store one,
Yeah.
and then was the basically you can say last was my this that was the accounting one. Here if you can go from here and you can go from here also. Plant data store one. Now ultimately after entering the details in the purchasing basically view, it will take you on to the plant data store, and from the plant data store one, once
Mhm.
we are going to enter the desired requirement, if any, it will take you on to the basically accounting one. Yeah. So we are where we are there on the our purchasing. here. Okay, now what is the purchasing group? Which purchasing group is responsible for procurement of this particular material? It is configured over here, and if you will see that basically for each purchasing group has got three basically coding coding characters over here, as I have already uttered and briefed you that for the purpose of the purchasing group, you are going to do the coding with three characters, and these are also created. Some are in the standard system, and as per the client requirement, these can be created by the consultant. Okay, just wait for a minute. Let me see one thing. You see it in other format. Yes, if you click over here, it will be in other format. Yes, I think so. This is more suitable because now I can expand it. And if you want to search of any, basically, if you say, for example, say Z00, press enter, and Z0 is some purchasing group, Z00, some student have created. Now, what is purchasing group? The specific persons as per their educational background. Just now, few minutes before we have learned over to the client and company code and whole of the enterprise structure. There we will have the persons who are going to specify, who are going to buy the specific materials as per their experience and as per their education background. Computer purchasing group, and after entering, oh, why it is not picking up? Let me see. Sorry, it has picked up. So here is the purchasing group. For example, if I enter 000, now what is 000? 000 is primarily your computer purchasing group, and straight away the system will take you onto the plant data store. It is a beta procurement plant, and it is finished goods story location. You don't have to enter anything. Press enter and you will go over to the accounting one. Now, what is accounting one view? Here you have to enter the valuation class. Okay, brother Mar, what is valuation class?
Sorry, which one?
Valuation class here.
Uh-huh. Class of material or equipment?
Little bit, you are right. So what happens over there? Each material type has got pre-configured valuation class in SAP standard system. And this is, you can say, they have further integration in financial accounting with certain journal ledger accounts, that basically procurement of the materials or the movement of the material at various stages, they are going to hit which particular journal ledger accounts. For that particular purpose, valuation class is over here. Now, your question will be, sir, if 7920 is the standard valuation class for the finished product, what is 7922? This must have been created or customized by some of the student, because it is IDES training server. So 7920 is for the finished product, 3000 is for the, you can say, raw materials, and same way 7900 is for the, you can say, that semi-finished products. Understood what is valuation class?
No, that's not clear.
Okay. Okay. Now, what is valuation class? Each valuation class, you can say, it is pre-configured in SAP system. Primarily, it is somewhat, you can say, integration between the and FI module. So whatsoever procurement you are going to do basically within this module, its price and various elements are going to have the recording under which GL accounts, means accounts payable, as I have mentioned you earlier, or in case of SD, maybe accounts receivable. Now, little bit idea about the valuation class. Valuation has been derived from the value, means price, cost. Hello? Yes, yes, brother.
Yeah,
Aman. Understood little bit.
a little bit.
Oh, okay.
So
No,
the mean is,
yes.
it mean is linked with the budget of material. If it's getting over budget, it will be going approval for high level, and if like that.
You can say, if CO controlling module has been implemented in your company to little bit extent, you can go over there to the towards the budgeting also. But at the same very time, you know, whatsoever procurement is basically done, all the record keeping or the value of that material on which you have purchased from a particular vendor, it is going to be recorded under some of the journal ledger accounts, because GL
Mm-hmm.
accounts are created by the finance for the record keeping purpose.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, it's clear now.
okay, no problem. Okay, now we will go down, and here currency is euro because this BUHQ plant has been configured as per the credentials of the Germany, and basically it is S. Now, what is the difference between the S? S is for the standard price and the moving average price or periodic unit price. Any explanation?
No.
Okay. Standard price remains fixed. It remains standard. It does not change. It is meant for the finished products. Moving average price or periodic unit price, it keeps on changing because normally you purchase raw materials for the production purpose on bulk basis, or for the in pharmaceutical normally as per the batches, and normally you see that the price of groups or the batches which you procure in terms of the raw materials or maybe certain components or assembly. So it keeps on changing. And I will give you an example. For
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
example, how
Clear.
SAP is going to calculate the moving average price or periodic unit price, its code is V. And S is basically for the standard price. It is in SAP S/4HANA standard system. Okay, what happens? For example, as of today, if we have purchased 10 leather sheets, cost of one leather sheet is 100 euro. So once procured, stock inward movement will be of the 10 leather sheet stock keeping unit, and valuation will be updated, and cost of those 10 leather sheet will be equivalent to 1000 euro. Quantity
Mm-hmm.
updated and value updated. Stock, now we have of the 10 leather sheets, and its value in totality is 1000 euro. Okay. Now, after the 10 days, you procure the same type of material, same specification of the material from some other vendor or the same vendor. But now price for one stock keeping unit has enhanced to 105 euro, 105 euro. Okay, what is going to happen? Once basically you are going to procure this batch of the leather sheets, now total stock will become 20. 10 was already there. Now, how SAP calculates moving average price automatically? That it is the now the next batch in price in totality will be 1100 euro, because price of one is 105. Now, once basically it will in a cumulative form batch of 20, SAP is going to calculate it automatically. 100 plus 105, it comes to 205 divided by 2. And now the batch of 20 basically stock keeping unit, for each you can say single quantity price will be equivalent to 103.2 euro. Little bit
Yeah, yeah,
understood?
it's clear. And yeah,
Uh,
yeah, and price control will be changed to fee.
sorry, SAP is going to automatically calculate it in the backend.
Yeah, yeah, and it will be changed. S to fee. Is that right?
Yes, it will be changed. It will be changed once you
By
are going.
system, by system.
Yes, by system, by system.
Yeah, okay, yeah, yeah, it's
Okay,
clear.
in this case, since we have got the finished product, we are going to enter the standard price and press enter. Now it is saying the price control. Oh, I have done something wrong. I haven't entered the price. So let's say cost of Asus laptop, for example, I don't know exactly in euros, but you can enter 500 euros. So what is orange? Orange is primarily a warning. It says local currency converted to other currencies using current exchange rate. Oh, it means that our local currency is euro, and in parallel, in backend, it is going to be finance guy or FI consultant must have done some of the configuration. Automatically, you can say exchange rate will be done or calculated with regards to US dollar, because US dollar is, you can say, overall that is the main currency which is which is used all around the world, or within, you can say, in this system. Okay, press enter. Now it says you are about to exit. Do you want to save the data for this material first? Okay, yes. So we go for the yes, and we have created the material. in which plant, in which storage location, and what is the material type, what is the industry sector, what is base unit of measure, what is material group, and what was the purchasing group, what was the price control, what was the valuation class, and what were the views. That was the basic data one, and second was purchasing view, third was plant data store one, and fourth one was basically, you can say, your accounting one view. Let me put it, let me silent it. Okay. Now, Brother Amar, you can see that this material number has been created, and we can go over to the Word document, and this is the assignment for you also. So please, whenever you get a chance, system is with you, user ID, password is with you. I am going to write down, jot down all the details, and please create a material today, tomorrow, or whenever you get it.
Okay,
Okay.
noted.
No, this is our material number. And what was this? It was something like, you can say, ASUS laptop. Okay. Now please help me out what we have done over here. First of all, we have gone over to the, that was the industry sector. It was industry sector or industry section? I think so. Industry sector. Okay. What was that? That was IT. And what was the material type? Material type was fur. And in German language, what is fur? That is finished good or finished material. And just basically, I can write it down. This is material type. Okay, brother Mark. After that, we have gone over to the views. Wait. Yes, views. One was the, I can just basically write it down. Basic data one. Okay. After that was the purchasing. After that, plant data store one. It's very hard to remember everything in
Yeah,
SAP.
that's right.
But with the passage of time, you can remember, but you have to have a very sharp memory in SAP, which I have learned. Accounting view one. These were the views.
Username and password is already provided to me. You already shared it with me that time, or we share it now?
Here, if you go up, I will again share. Here it is. I have already basically shared in your document also.
Mhm.
It is there. Client will be visible 100 automatically. It is doubt, and this is Qureshi 123.
Yeah, okay.
This is on your document, which I keep on sharing after the every session, and no problem. I will again share on your WhatsApp also. Okay. That's it. Okay. Now we go down. We have to enter lot many detail regarding the material. After that, what was the? I was here for a moment. Gee, wait for a moment. This is okay. Okay, then was plant. What was the plant? That was VUHQ. Okay. What was the storage location? That was SL01. And what was SL01? That was finished good storage location. SL normally we use in abbreviated form for storage location. After that,
Price.
material description. After that, base unit of measure. That was each. After that, material group. And that was something like computer. Computer or computer, so something like computer, it was there. You can see it from
Yeah,
that. And
yeah.
that then was the purchasing group. Purchasing group was having something code like 000. It is always in three
uh,
characters, and it was
Yeah.
something like computer. Computer purchasing group, PURCH. We normally write down the abbreviation. Valuation class. Valuation class was 7920. Wait. 7920. It is over here. Let me correct it. Purchase. No, let me write it complete. Let me type it complete rather. Purchasing. Punching. Oh, No. After that, you can enter price, and price you can enter any. I have entered, for
Yeah.
example, 600. So these all are the details with which is going to help you while creation of the material. Okay, brother Amar, can you
Yeah.
share your screen with me? I have to do some configuration in your system.
Okay.
I am sending you on your WhatsApp also. Again, these details for uh, your client and everything. I have sent it across. Allow. I have allowed. I have given authorization.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Okay. You wanna from me create
No, no. I have I have to do
oh,
something myself. I will guide you what to do
okay,
because I
okay.
want to just see one thing in the GUI setting, graphical user interface setting.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh. I hope, Brother Abar, if in the method of instruction, if you feel any difficulty, if you see I am speaking too fast, and or for example, you can always tell me, sir, keep your pace little slow. Okay,
Okay.
I can modify my method of instructions, no problem. You can openly tell me, sir, here we can have a break. Here, sir, you are going too fast. Please speak. You can say at a slow pace and please go slow.
Okay, noted.
And tomorrow you will be available. Tomorrow is Tuesday.
Inshallah.
Inshallah. Okay, means for starting from Sunday till Thursday, you will be available on every working day.
Yeah, inshallah.
Inshallah.
On till Wednesday.
On until Wednesday. Okay, ठीक. On
Yeah.
Thursday you will not be available.
If I feel well, I will inform you early.
Oh, okay, okay. Um, your system is open now.
Yeah.
You can
Can
share
you
your
see my screen?
no, no, no. Kindly share your screen with me. I have to do a little bit, you can say, alteration in your GUI setting. You can open your IDES demo server and you can then share your screen with me. I have to do little bit amendments over there.
You can't see my screen now?
No, no, it's not visible. What you can do, there is a icon or there is a, you can say,
Share.
tab for share. Click on share
Yeah,
and
yeah.
then you will see, no, it is, now it will be shared. Yes. Mhm.
Okay. Before I click it, but I don't think
Uh-huh.
I
Okay.
must
Mm,
you receive that
No,
request.
no problem. Go over to the more. Yes, more. Here it is written more on the yes. Drill down. Now go over to the GUI setting at the bottom
Okay.
and go over to the options.
Options. Okay.
Wait for a moment. Go theme setting, go over to the accessibility and scripting. No, not on the left side, on the left side. Go over to the accessibility. Yes.
Okay.
Drill down, go over to the accessibility. Okay, go over to the scripting.
Okay.
Go over to the theme setting at the top. Theme setting at the top.
Where?
Here. Over the script. Go up kindly. Go up from the yes. Let me see. All the things are okay.
Theme setting. Okay.
Yes. Okay. Go over to the font setting. Let me check all the things.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Go over to the interaction design. Interaction design. Drill down. Yes. Go drill down. Interaction design. Yes. Go over to the key
Okay.
visualization one. Go over to the visualization. Yes. Go over to the visualize. Okay. Now what you can do, show okay code, show keys with drop down list. Okay. Check under the control, show keys with drop down list. No, no, down. And under the controls, control heading. On the right side, on the right side.
Where?
No, on the right side.
Control setting. Okay.
No.
Uh-huh.
No, go over to the visualization one. Go over to visualization one.
Okay. Visualization one. Okay.
Okay, now
Done.
see controls, and under the control you can see show keys with drop down list. Under the control, yes, check it.
Okay.
Now make it apply.
Apply.
Okay, go over to the okay. Oh, okay, at the base, yes. Okay. Now type the T code MM01. Let me see. Let me verify it. MM01. No, only M. Yes. Okay. Go over to the industry sector. I want to see that codes are visible with description or not. Okay. Go over to the material type. Go over to the material type. Yes. Now it's okay. Now, you want to proceed further, or this is enough for today? What do you say?
As you like. Do you want to create this one and we'll be finish the section today? The session?
Means you want to go further ahead? No, I wanted to see the certain settings in your GUI setting. You can create in your own time, no problem. And if you come
Mm-hmm.
across your any problem, you can tell me in your next session.
Okay.
Or you
As
want
you
to
like.
create just now a
Or
material.
can we create one just
Okay, create.
quickly
Oh,
together?
okay, no problem. Create.
Okay.
Go over to the select IT sector. Maybe you can select IT sector. We can create laptop battery. Select IT sector. Select IT sector. Hello, brother Amar. Oh. Hello,
Hello.
hello. Sorry. There, I told you there was some glitch. Okay. Select the
Okay.
FERT, F-E-R-T, F-E-R-T, finished product. F, F, go up, go up.
F.
Type F-E-E, and F-E, here.
Okay.
Yes. Now press
Then
enter.
enter.
Enter. These are default
Okay.
settings. Don't disturb them. Go over to the continuity. You can see a tick mark at the base.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, very good.
Okay.
There is a tick mark at the base. Okay, very good.
Okay. Can we click okay?
Yes, you can click OK.
Continue.
Continue. Okay, enter your plant BUHQ. BUHQ. Okay, it has picked up. Enter story location SL01. Okay, press go continue. And now you can create, enter the description. I have created ASUS. You can create Dell laptop, Vista laptop, laptop battery, laptop mouse, laptop keyboard, laptop screen, laptop processor, laptop RAM card, anything.
Okay.
Go over to the base unit of measure. EA is for the each. Go over to the material group, open the search class and select the material group as the computer material group, which is on the top. And its code is 00.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, press
Mm-hmm.
enter and now you will straight away go over to the purchasing. Enter the purchasing group under the base unit of measure. Yes. Okay, select the purchasing group, that is 000. Okay, press enter. And now it's beta procurement plant finish code. Here you don't have to enter anything. Press enter. Okay. Please enter valuation class, open the search class and valuation class for the finished product 7920. 7920. Good. Drill down, scroll down. Okay. Now here you enter the price. It's up to you. €100, €200. It's a laptop battery. Okay. Press enter. Okay. Again, press enter. Local currency converted into other. Okay. Do it. Yes. And now material number has been created 2362.
Okay.
Okay, enter MM03 display material. /N MM03. Press enter. Okay, press enter. Automatically it has picked up because just now you have created. Now you see these have squeezed views. Now go over to the plant and automatically it will pick up your plant. That is BUHQ. And story
Uh-huh.
location SL01. Now, what is the purpose of display material? That if you want to gain some of the information from material master report, go over to the continuity. Continue. Now, you can't change anything. It will be in display form, means gray form. MM02 is for
Yeah.
the change of the material. You want to get any information. What was the material group? What was the price? What was the purchasing group? And what was the base unit of measure? All the things are over there. Good. Very good. Yes, from go over to purchasing. It is 000 and 000 code is primarily for the, that is for the computer. Probably it was computer purchasing group. Yes. And I have jotted down everything on your Word document. Accounting one, go over to accounting one, see your price, see your valuation class, see your pricing control, 7920 valuation class, and it is basically, you can say 400 is the standard price and control price is coming over as, but some configuration, some FI consultant has not done wrong rightly, because €400 is not equivalent to $40.
Yeah.
This is something wrong.
I'm wondering when I see this price, how it's come.
I wish one day should come that one Saudi Riyal should be equivalent to $100.
Well, I hope that
So
soon, inshallah.
so all the Muslim world can get benefit from our brother Muslim country, that is Kingdom of
Yeah, that's
Saudi
right.
Arabia. And mashallah, I can see that Prince Muhammad bin Salman has brought lot of revolution in Saudi Arabia. He has
Yeah,
in IT sector. In IT sector, it's marvelous. And ma'am, Her Highness Dima Al Saleh, I think so. She is here in Islamabad, or maybe she is coming. She keeps on coming. She keeps on coming for various meetings and conferences. She is, I think so, your minister for information technology and telecom at world level. She has also got some of the
yeah,
designation. Ma'am Dima Al
yeah. That's
Saleh. Yes, very, you can say very intelligent lady, and very, you can say, moving lady. Very moving lady means she had very quick decision making, and she has got good vision about the
she's name Reem Hassan. That's right.
Dima. Wait. I will show you. I will show you. Ma'am Dima, let me go over to the LinkedIn. Let me open the LinkedIn. I will show you. Here comes Dima. Also, Dima. Sorry, I think so. Let me wait for a moment. Wait for a moment. Uh, she was. Oh no. Sorry. She is Dima Al Jaya, I think so. Oh yeah. H-Y-A. Yes. I got it. I got it. Here. She's here. Hey, here. Here is Her Highness Dima Al Jaya. She's Secretary General. Brother Amar, visible?
Mhm. Yeah, your voice is not clear. I don't know why.
My screen is not visible. You can stop sharing your screen. Now it is visible.
Okay.
See,
Oh,
no,
yeah. Now it's visible. Yeah.
she is Dima Al Jaya. And she is
دي
uh,
مدح. Yeah.
Dima Al Jaya. And
Yeah.
she is Secretary General. And previous year her appointment was different, but now she's Secretary General. And you can say a very intelligent and very good horizon lady.
Yeah.
Yes. And but she's, I think so, here in Pakistan, or maybe coming after 1 or 2 days for a big conference. And about 7 months back, she was here with a big Saudi Arabia delegation. There were about, I think so, 20 high, you can say, uh, dignitaries were over there, or ministers were over there along with her. So
But
here.
how's it the situation now in Pakistan?